Hi guys, this is your host, Sound Blaster, bringing you a special video. It's a will you press the button video. Alright, let's start. You can create your own superpower and use it for however long as you desire. But you have to be a villain. Well... No thanks. I like being a hero. How can I continue? How can I go for the next one? Oh yeah, you had to press like, tap like or dislike. Right, you will have the greatest desktop in the world, and it modifies itself to be more advanced as time goes on. But this is the only desktop/electronic you will have. No smartphones, MP3 players, etc. No thanks. It's not that big of a deal to me. You can become the strongest man, but you can never fight. Well, I would only hurt anyone if I had to, but I would actually never have to, so I'll just press it. You can read anybody's mind, but you have to say everything you think out loud. Nope. Get out of here. You have the power to see through anything, but people in your field of vision can tell when you're using this power. I don't wanna see through anything. You gain complete control over an advanced research laboratory with an unlimited number of test subjects to do with as you please, but you're trapped as an artificial intelligence and become practically insane. Not really interested in that stuff. You will receive $1,000 instantly, but 10 random people will die instantly. No. It's not like I'm poor or anything. Well, anyway, you gain the powers of Dr. Manhattan. I don't know who Dr. Manhattan is. So, no. You can pick a card to become perfectly balanced, but you can never play that card. What the hell? That doesn't... I can only look at it. So, it's useless. Fuck this. You marry the girl or guy of your dreams, but... Nigel Thornberry. Wait, isn't that the guy from the Smashing meme? Yeah, it totally is. No, it would seem kinda unattractive. You can teleport to anywhere you can imagine being, but only your naked teleports when you do so. Being naked in a Sonic world or Angry Birds world. Oh god. That would be embarrassing. No thanks. But I did like it. You have the fastest internet connection in the world, but despite this, YouTube videos buffer slowly. No, not much of a big deal. You can eat anything you want and it will taste like your favorite food. That's weird. But it's the flavor that's altered, not the object. No, no, it will become repetitive and still weird and underwhelming. You can travel to any location, anytime, and any alternate reality you can imagine by teleportation. But you have dozens of intergalactic enemies. Ugh. This is a tough choice. Ugh, I don't know. Well, it would be really dangerous because of dozens of intergalactic enemies, so no thanks. You can freeze time whenever and however long you want, but you continue to age when time is frozen. Well, the same thing happened in one episode of The Simpsons. But it's fine with me. If I would freeze time, people would be like, "Why are you so old?" and stuff. You can acquire any movie, book, video game, song, or TV show immediately and for free. Wow. The ending will be spoiled for everything that you acquire through that method. Meh. I'm gonna proceed. It's still great anyway. You find a way to time travel to any time, future or past. Sonic City or any other time travel game. But you're stuck at your destination and are naked on arrival. So I could teleport time travel to future or past, and I would be at my home any time and I would be naked. No thanks. You're given $1 million, but you can only donate it to charity or give it to homeless people, and you will not receive. God damn it! That's brutal. That's really brutal. Goddamn ads. You can become a world athlete and win gold in multiple Olympic events, but you must take an undetectable performance enhancing drug to do it. I don't really care for that. Steal fire from the gods and give it to mankind. The gods? Yeah, whatever. But be changed to a rock and have an eagle come to eat your innards every day. No, I do not like that. You can have everything you have ever wanted and desired, but you have 3 days to live. No. Crap. Mars would become a planet similar to Earth, and humans would be able to live there. But Earth would explode after 500 years. 500 years? That might still happen anyway. So... Pokemon becomes real, but Pokemon battles are illegal. Nope. You gain the ability to turn back time. You can only go back an hour into the past, and it can only be used once per day. But each time you use this power, the person you've loved the most loses a month of their lifespan. However, that whole hour could be used to save their life. An hour? Meh, that's not so nice. Only an hour. End all violence and create a powerful world forever. But you live forever, and your mind would wrap the world around you into a terrifying hell. So would that happen actually, even though my mind only does it, or is it just imagination? Ugh, a tough decision again. No. Well, I guess that's enough already. So yeah. Thanks for watching, please comment and subscribe. See ya!